Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to be going over on the best 20 tips and tricks for your new Samsung Galaxy A21s. So let's begin with the video now.
So what's up everyone, welcome back to Surge Tech. Sergio here. In this channel I do a lot of tech reviews and tutorials, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos like this. There's going to be links to everything that I talk about in this video in the description down below, so do check that out, and let's get right on with the video.
So let's begin with the first trick, and that's going to be the finger sensor that is right here in the back. So there is a way for you to customize this. All you have to do is go to your settings, then you're going to go all the way down to advanced features. Once you're in there, you're going to head to motions and gestures and then select finger sensor right here. So all you have to do is activate the toggle right here. You're going to select on, and now whenever you swipe down or up, it's going to open or close the notification panel, which is going to make it so much easier. And next up is going to be how to share the Wi-Fi password whenever you're connected. If you have a friend that wants to connect but you don't want to give them the password, all you have to do is go to your settings, then you're going to head to your Wi-Fi connection. And then once you're right there, you just got to go on the little tool right here, and it's going to be an option down here that is going to say QR code. So whatever phone that your friend has, just tell them to scan it, and this way it's going to connect to it without entering the password. And next up is going to be how to rotate to landscape mode, and there's going to be two ways to do this, and the first one is going to be by long pressing the home screen. Going to the home screen settings, and then all the way down you're going to see rotate to landscape mode. When you activate this, every time you're on your home screen, you'll be able to rotate your phone and use it on landscape mode. The second way to do this is going to be through your notifications, so just swipe down for notifications, swipe once again for the quick settings, and you're going to have right here auto rotate. So you just activate it or deactivate it depending on what you feel like doing in the moment. And next up is going to be how to customize your home screen layout, and to do this you have to long press once again on your home screen, go on home screen settings, and here you're going to have three options, which is going to be the home screen layout, the home screen grid, and the app screen grid. So basically the home screen is going to be just the size of it, and then the app's going to be the same thing, just the size of the icons if you wanted 5x5, 5x6, and the home screen layout basically is just so you can customize the home and the app screens. And next up is going to be how to customize your plug or side key button. As you can tell, all you have to do is swipe up for your settings, then you're going to go to advanced features once again. Once you're in advanced features, you're going to go right here on top, it's going to say side key. So here you can select if you want your side key to quick launch the camera or open any app of your preference. Next up is going to be lift to wake. So basically whenever your phone is locked and you try to lift it, it's not going to unlock or show you the lock screen, but there's a way you can change this setting by just going to your settings. You're going to go to advanced features, then you're going to go to motions and gestures. Right here you're going to see lift and wake, so you're just going to activate that, and now every time you plug your phone and you lift it up, the screen should always pop up. And now we're going to have the flash notification. So basically every time you get a notification you want the flash to turn on, all you have to do is swipe up, go to your settings, you're going to head to accessibility, and once you're in accessibility all you have to do is go advanced settings once again, flash notification, and you just turn it on. And now I'm going to show you a little preview of how it looks like. This is how it's going to look like whenever you turn it on. And right here in accessibility we're going to have the screen reader, which is going to be an option that is going to help you get spoken audio and special controls to help you navigate without reading your screen. So you just have to go there and activate the toggle. And now if you want to add widgets to your home screen, all you have to do is long press on the home screen once again, and here you're going to see the menu that says widgets. So once you go there, you're going to see a bunch of widgets like calendar, Chrome, clock, contacts, and a bunch of others. And if you want to have widgets on your lock screen, all you have to do is go to your settings, you're going to go all the way up on lock screen, and right here you're going to be able to find the face widgets. So these are quick access to the widgets from your lock screen. If you want to get music, maybe today's schedule, next alarm, or weather, you just activate all of them, and then whenever you block your phone and you go to lock screen, as you can tell, you're going to have right here above the little face widgets, so you can just swipe to the side and get the different functions. And an easy way to take screenshots is just going to be volume down and the block button or the side key at the same time, and that's going to automatically take the screenshot. You can also select your phone to be on dark mode by just going to your display settings. So we're going to go on settings, display, and right here we're going to see dark. So whenever you pick that, your phone is going to turn automatically black and blue. And if you want to see the battery percentage on your phone without having to go to your notification panel, you can do that as well by just going on your settings. And once you're in your settings, you're going to head to notifications. So we're going to go right here, and then we're going to head to status bar. Once we're in status bar, we're going to see right here, show battery percentage. We're going to activate that, and now we're going to see the percentage next to our battery. And if you want to use the full screen display, and by this I mean not using the little buttons on your navigation bar, you can always customize it by just going to your settings. Then you're going to go on display and navigation bar right here. You can get the full screen gestures that are going to hide the buttons, and then you're going to get new gestures to move around your phone. So for example, you can swipe with 2 fingers from the bottom of the screen to use the accessibility shortcut. You can always swipe to the sides and do all these different functions. And now I'm going to show you how to customize your clock style whenever your phone is locked. So all you have to do, you're going to go on settings, and once in settings, lock screen, and then in lock screen, you're going to see clock style. Here you're going to see a bunch of different type of clocks, and you can also change the colors so you can play around and see whatever fits better. But I always recommend to use the adaptive colors, since that is going to adapt to whatever background that you have. And right here on the lock screen, you can also access to the contact information, where you can type any type of information that you want in case you lose your phone and you want someone to call you to a certain number so they can give your phone back, or just a motivational quote. You can just type it in right here and then save it. When you lock your screen, I'm going to show you now the customized clock, and also we're going to have our quote or contact information right here on the screen. And a nice ways to use the split screen or the multitask is by just going to the 3 bars right here. You're going to select an app that you want to use. So we're going to go and use, for example, internet, and then we're going to use open and split screen view. Once we select that, we're going to select another app, and now we'll be able to use 2 apps at the same time, as you can tell. And now I'm going to show you how to hide apps, and basically you have to go on your home screen settings. Once you're there, you're going to go to hide apps, and right here you're going to select whichever app you want to hide. For example, I'm going to select drive and camera. I'm going to press done, and now as you can tell, they won't be anywhere to be found, even on the app drawer. And the only way to get it is just by going on search and typing whatever app that it was. For example, I'm going to go with drive. Now drive is going to show up right there. And if you want to undo this, all you have to do is once again go back to your home screen setting, go on hide apps, and then select the apps that you hid, and now they're all going to be showing on your home screen. And now last but not least, I'm going to show you how to check your digital wellness of your device. And all you have to do is go to your settings. You're going to go all the way down to digital wellness, all the way down to digital well-being. Once you're there, you're going to press digital well-being, and it's going to show you the overall time that you spend on your phone, the screen time goals, and how you can unlock them. You can also set a timer for your apps and even customize your focus mode. So this section of your phone is going to be really good if you want to pay attention to what you do on a daily basis, and if you can control it, or if you want to control it. So don't forget to check this out. Alright everyone, so those are the best 20 tips and tricks for your new Samsung A21s. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, and also leave a comment down below on which trick was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and as always, I will see you in the next one.